There we go, guys. All right. What up, guys? Good morning. Fish Shot Fool here with you. Down here, Terminal Island, over here by the federal prison, as you can see. But guess what? We're not going to jail today. But what we are going to do is go hit a secret spot that I got and see if we can come up with something real nice this morning. All right, talk to you guys in a minute. Peace. I mean, once you see the prison, you know I already gave it away. But yeah, on this side of town this morning, and I'm gonna see if we can find a little honey hole out here. All right, that's what I want to do. Find something that you know, that I don't normally fish. And as soon as we get an opening, man, we're gonna put a line in the water. Old Southwest Marine right here. Old boat yards. See, I haven't used that in a long time. And this right here would be the memorial. This used to be a Japanese fishing village way back in the day. It's no longer here. Of course, it made way for the port complex, and also the boat shop over there in the distance. So, yeah, remnants of the Japanese fishing village that used to be right around here. It's pretty cool. Nice piece of history. As you can see, we got a few fishing boats out here. A few fishing boats. Got somebody on a kayak right out there. You're getting ready to do it. Oh yeah. Port in the background. We're looking for a good place where we can get in. And right now is a good time for California spiny lobster, and that's what these pots are for right here. And we down on Tuna Street. All right, so we got us a little spot right here. You know what? I don't think this doesn't look like halibut habitat, man. If I had to guess, I would say right around here we're probably gonna be looking at some spotted bay bass, maybe some sand bass. But hey, I could be wrong, man. Back on the Akuma Ballistic, 10-pound braid, or 12-pound braid, 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. Nothing but the little jig right here. Gulp minnow. First cast. It's my first time fishing this spot. Passed by it for years. Never put a line in the water. So I don't know what the structure of the bottom is like out here. Look at this big guy just sitting out there just chilling. Look at him. Look at him. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Before he dives back down. Big old sea lion. Laying on his back. He's got his flippers up. Look at this guy. Just chilling, having it his way. Look at that big thing. right, big boy. Leave my fish alone. I think we got a little lizard fish down there messing with us. Let's go back out. Just gonna let that fall all the way down to the bottom. Okay, let's let that fall. One more time, guys. I'm getting a little tap on here. I don't think it's a Hallie though. No. Probably a lizard fish. All right, we're just gonna let that fall right there. Make sure we hit the bottom. There we go. All right, let's bring him in. There we go, guys. All right. Oh, I think it's a spotted bay. Oh, maybe not. It might be a Hallie with the head shakes. No, we got a little spotty. That was a little spotty out there messing around. Here we go, guys. Little spotter on there. Y'all be good. All right. I'll have it ready by this evening. Okay. Right on. Little spotty out there. That's what was messing with us. Let's get him out of there. Come here, son. Oh yeah, he's moving around on me. Come on, let's get him. There we go. Nice little spotty. Nice looking guy. Oh wait, look at that. Pretty thing. Hey, he's not the biggest, but hey, we'll take it. It's pretty good for our first time in the new spot too. Right on. We'll get some more at lunch. All right, guys, we had a good time out here down in Terminal Island today. Like I said, this was my first time fishing this spot. We got lucky, we got one spotty, but that's about it. That bite's kind of raw right now. But anyhow, we'll be back out here. We'll be back out here later on, and probably catch it at high tide. But anyway, man, you guys take care and fish till times get better. All right, peace.